Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to go ahead and apologize in advance for how my voice sounds. I am kind of feeling a little under the weather. The weather is starting to change, and this is around the time of me getting a little cold. So we're just going to breeze over that and just focus on these hair results, boo. All right, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna do a basic twist out. You guys know I don't really play around with the styles too much. I did grab some new products that I'm kind of excited to try. I'm gonna try this HawaiinSilky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. I don't know if it's like a leave-in or it says activator moisturizer. So we're just gonna use it as such. And then the second thing is the Camile Rose Maximum Hydration Coconut Water Style Setter. I actually follow a girl, her name is Steph something on Instagram, but her name on YouTube is Caramel Coils. I'm gonna link some of her videos down in the description box below, but she always uses this. And our hair is not the exact same, but I feel like, you know, she's like the closest thing that my hair could look like if it was where I want it to be. So I'm gonna try this and hopefully I like it. She always uses this. She always raves about it. So I'm like, all right, girl, this thing better be busting because it was $14, okay?
Ah, the ghetto!
I will say it smells really good. It smells really good and it's really thick. Like, it's thick. I don't really use thick products in my hair, so I'm a little anxious about it, but I'm just gonna trust the process and see what happens. I do have deep conditioner in my hair right now, so I'm gonna go rinse that out and then I'm gonna come back. But I wanted to show you guys the leave-in that I'm gonna be using today because I apply it in the shower when I'm rinsing out my deep conditioner. I'm gonna be using the Miel Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. I actually just bought another bottle, so that just lets you know how much I love this stuff. I have like a little corner piece left, so I'm gonna have to open up my other one. I'm gonna use that and we're gonna see. Alright guys, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. My hair's already been washed, deep conditioned, detangled, so we're good to go. So I'm just going to take out this section right here, and this is one of my tighter sections, but look at that, look at the length. Okay, anyway, now I'm going to take this HawaiinSilky, the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker, and just glide that through my hair. It actually felt pretty nice, kind of interesting, but kind of nice. Now I'm going to take this coconut setter and just glide that all throughout my hair. And honestly, this made my hair feel so nice. It didn't feel heavy, but it didn't feel like dry or anything. But I did go back and I took some warm water just to help get the products like evenly dispersed, and then I would add where I felt like I needed, mainly around my ends. I don't know what it is about the ends of my hair. It just does not hold moisture, But I'm gonna go ahead and finger detangle my hair, and then I'm using this 3-prong comb. If you don't have a 3-prong comb, try to get one because honestly, it has just, I feel like it's cut down my detangling time so much. And my hair doesn't, I don't feel like it pulls my hair out like a regular comb would. Hope that makes sense. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair up like I normally do and reinforce the curl at the end so it's nice and springy and bouncy and cute. And then do the exact same thing to the rest of my head. This process for me took maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours. It typically takes me a minute to do my hair. If you have natural hair, you're probably like, yeah, girl, that's normal because it just takes a long time. But yeah, I just did this process all throughout my hair, and I'm gonna let you guys watch that and I'll come back in a second. Alright guys, so this is what I look like, or what my hair looks like once I am completely done with it. It did take me about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do. No problem, I already knew that. I'm just gonna take this African Pride oil and put that all throughout my hands and kind of just like pat it onto my hair, and then just let my hair dry throughout the night. And I will wrap my hair up because I do not sleep on wet hair. Like I said, it's the next day and my hair was honestly just doing what it wanted to do. It had nice movement. It felt really nice and soft, but it was not all the way dry. So I took my blow dryer out and I did use like a low heat setting, high speed, so I can try to you know, take it down because I had to go to work, but that was just not the case. So I had to twist it back up and do the same thing the very next day. So here we are, the next day of the next day. So the next day. And then my hair was completely dry. So during the takedown process, you know, you want to take some oil onto your hair before you start touching it, just so that, you know, you eliminate as much frizz as possible. I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off into these cute little pigtails, and then just start, you know, taking down the twist, trying to be like super gentle. And I could already tell the definition was there. Like, it was there, you guys. But this is the same problem that I run into anytime I do my hair. I run into the issue where it looks super defined, but then when I start to separate my hair, I lose all the definition. Or so I was thinking. This right here is my swag. No, I'm just kidding. But honestly, guys, my hair was lit. Okay, I was super excited about the definition that I was getting. I'm pretty sure you guys could see it. I did take my time when I was taking my hair out. I did not rush anything. I really sat there for like 45 minutes separating my hair. Of course, it looks a mess right now because it's fresh. So I went in, I kind of used the balls of my fingers to like lift the hair up from my scalp and kind of shake everything out. I went ahead and stretched my hair. This is my favorite stretching method. You already know. But if you didn't know, now you do. I'm going to use my Eco Styler Gel and this Style Factor Edge Booster to do my edges. And I do like my edges kind of OD, so nothing's new here. They look nice though, I'm not going to lie. Then I'm just going to tie my hair up with my scarf, and I think I let it sit for like 15 minutes, and I was good. So these are my final results, you guys. I'm still working on getting definition all throughout my hair, but honestly, I feel like this came out so cute. I was able to get a good like 4 days wear out of this hair, and then I had to kind of do something else, but I'm here for it. I'm still learning my hair, but I think I did all right. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.